How eating healthy helps you lose stubborn belly fat. If you want to know how to lose stubborn belly fat, then you're going to have to follow the advice you've probably been hearing for years. You have to go on a healthy eating plan. Without a healthy eating plan, all your other efforts are going to be reduced, and what's the point in working hard if you're sabotaging yourself by what you're eating? It's very easy to do all the right things with exercise and eat the wrong foods. Unfortunately, the dietary advice we're given today often contradicts itself. This group of people don't eat carbohydrates and seem to be doing great, while other people eat mostly carbohydrates and avoid fatty foods. Others don't worry about carbs and fats at all and just count calories. All three of these different groups have many people that are successful using that method. So how do you know which one is right for you? The only thing you can do is try one and see if you can stick with it. If it's not right for you, then try something else. An overall healthy diet is typically lower in starches and processed foods. Of the diets that do contain many carbohydrates, they're usually very complex carbs. These diets contain things like oatmeal and small portions of pasta that are cooked very firm and not mushy. The focus on good carb diets is that you eat carbohydrates that take a long time to digest and that keep your blood sugar stable. This type of diet should work for just about anyone. But if the amount of carbohydrates is so low that you feel like you're starving and it just doesn't feel right for you, then try a higher carb, but low-fat diet. If this kind of diet doesn't seem to help you lose weight, there are always different diets that focus more on calories. The important thing is to find one you can stick with. Because the best diet in the world won't help you lose weight if you don't follow it. Eating right can help you lose weight, and that will help you lose fat all over your body. Because there's really no way to focus just on belly fat, it's important to incorporate plenty of exercise into your routine. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Do cardio exercises 4 to 5 times a week, like walking, jogging, or aerobic dance. This will help you burn fat everywhere. Do something like yoga or Pilates, that is a slow, meditative movement that works on your core abdominal muscles. Do crunches to really tighten and work your abs. This will really tighten the muscles up and make them much smaller, so that when you lose fat everywhere, your stomach will look dramatically different. Do these types of exercises in addition to fat-burning exercise and follow a healthy eating plan. Now you know how to lose stubborn belly fat. The important thing is that you actually follow the steps.